This is the discussion component for paragraph 18 of chapter 1 of 1984. Now this is a pretty short chapter and there isn't very much vocabulary in it. I found one interesting phrase, which is a stream of, and in this case it's a stream of rubbish. So we'll talk about that. But then let's review what's happened so far in the story. And then we'll move on to paragraph 19. When I hear the word stream, I think of a small river and I think of water that's always moving. It never stops moving. It just keeps going. In paragraph 18, it starts with Winston stopped writing, partly because he was suffering from cramp. He did not know what had made him pour out this stream of rubbish. And when he calls this a stream of rubbish, it means it's like a never-ending flow, just like the water. It just keeps going. And rubbish means garbage. So Winston doesn't like what he's writing. He's saying, why am I writing this? This is a stupid story. Maybe he doesn't understand the significance of it yet, but he doesn't like what he's writing. But it just keeps coming out. He can't stop it, just like a stream. And this phrase, stream of, is used quite a bit for things that just keep going. They just never seem to stop. And for example, stream of consciousness. Consciousness kind of means being awake or being aware. And stream of consciousness is when somebody just continues to talk without any direction. It's a popular style sometimes of, narration. Or recently it has been. And also stream of obscenities. Obscenities are bad words. So if someone is very angry, then they may just continually say bad words, and that would be a stream of obscenities. So he let loose a stream of obscenities when he found out the flight was canceled. That means he just kept saying horrible words and horrible phrases. It never stopped. It just kept going. So stream of is a pretty useful phrase to know. And here we have stream of rubbish, never-ending garbage. And you can use it in a lot of different ways when you want to say it never stops, it just keeps going. All right, well that was really the only thing that we had in paragraph 18. So let's review what has happened so far in the story. The chapter started out with Winston arriving at his home, his apartment complex called Victory Mansions, and he enters into the ground floor. It's smelly, it's dirty, and he takes the stairs up to his apartment, which seems to be on the 7th floor. And on every floor, on every landing, you can see a poster of Big Brother. And there's a caption that reads, Big Brother is watching you. He arrives into his apartment and he drinks a little bit of gin. He looks out the window. He's not very happy with what he sees. He lives in London and he doesn't like it there anymore. Or I don't know if he ever did. He doesn't like it there. And then he turns around and he gets out a notebook and a pen that he's been hiding. And he goes into a place in the apartment where the telescreen can't see him. So the telescreen is like a TV that's attached to the wall, but it doesn't just talk to you and send you messages, it also watches you and listens to you. And he wants to write something. It's very dangerous to write something. It's very risky. Probably he's committing suicide by writing in this notebook. And he doesn't know what to write. And suddenly, for no reason, he just starts writing about this incident where he goes to the movies and there are really bad things happening to people on the screen, and everybody's enjoying it. Everybody's laughing and having a wonderful time, except one common person stands up and tells the whole movie theater they shouldn't be doing that. That's wrong. And they remove her from the theater. That's where we are so far. And now I guess it's time to move on to paragraph 19, okay? So this might be a good time to go back and review some of those other readings, other paragraphs from chapter 1. Try to review the vocabulary words that you've learned. Try to think about their meaning. And, as usual, if you enjoyed this, if you found this useful, please press the like button. And if you really liked it and you want to have more, and you feel like this is helping you improve your vocabulary, then press the subscribe button, because there's a lot more coming. And I will see you again in paragraph 19 of chapter 1 of 1984 by George Orwell.